doing? Is
Good.
everything?
Good.
I can only
Happy.
see you, Unica.
Really?
Huh?
I can only see Unica.
You can't see you can't see Julia. Only see
No, I
me.
can hear
You can
Oh,
hear.
her.
it's okay. You don't have to see me. I ain't doing nothing.
Okay.
I'm just here. As long as you
Okay.
can
Well,
hear me, we good.
well.
You don't
Yeah.
have to see me. You can hear me.
First of all, I want to say I'm glad you guys invited me on. My baby sister Unica, hello,
Hey,
and
Hey,
I'm coming
brother.
live here in Southern California.
nice. What's that
So,
weather like out there?
man, it's beautiful. I feel like taking off all my clothes.
Oh,
And here I am sitting with a sweatshirt on.
yeah.
You know, I'm thinking
This
about
one I
taking
would
all
love.
my.
I wish I was in California right now.
Yeah,
I wish I would
it's
do
beautiful.
anything to be in Southern California right now.
So,
It's cold here.
so look, you guys, I got a beauty. I really don't want to get rid of her, because she was a gift to me. But unfortunately, I got too many cars, and something got to go. Something got to go. But this is like a really, really gem, right? That, like I said, I have a friend. He passed away, and they gave it to me. And this is something that you're not gonna find. This is a '04. This is a '04 Stratus. This is a '04
Okay.
Dodge Stratus. But
Okay.
the unique thing about this Stratus is it's a 5-speed stick shift,
Oh,
which
Oh.
you
oh,
will not find a Dodge Stratus hardly nowhere with a 3-speed
yeah.
stick shift. You know
Yeah,
what
I
I'm
ain't seen
saying? And
a
and,
stick
and
shift in
she,
so long.
yeah, and it's a 2.7 Magnum, and I'm gonna let you see the car. You know, as soon as I
Okay.
figure out how to,
All right, I'm
as soon as I
ready.
figure out how to turn it around.
Okay. We
Let
ready
us
to
see.
see. We
I'm
Y'all
ready to
ready
ready.
to
see.
see?
I'm
Yeah,
ready to
we
see.
ready to
Show us.
see.
I mean,
Y'all
you
ready to see
guys,
out there?
y'all say y'all ready.
We ready.
So here's the Stratus, right?
Okay.
Here's the Stratus.
Okay.
It's a little dirty because it's sit up. I bought it calling myself. I wanted to save gas because gas here is so high, and I end up still not doing what I'm supposed to do. But she's beautiful. It has the interior. I had no rips. Oh, they do a lot. But she's running. She's actually running right now. And let me show you. We're gonna look on the inside first.
Okay, you guys. Got this 2004 Dodge Stratus.
Dodge Stratus.
It's
Look,
one of a kind. It's a stick shift.
Oh, it's leather
one of a kind.
seats.
Stick
Okay,
It's
shift.
leather
clean too.
seats.
You know,
It's
it's no wraps, no tears, nothing in the seat. It has the leather with the suede. She's a beauty. Like I say, she runs. It's so much in this. It got the sports package on it
okay.
with the tail on it,
They have to
and
spoil
yeah,
it.
and like I said, I don't drive her as much as I should. So when I came out, the battery, and that's another thing, the battery's brand new. So I probably, knowing me, left something on. So I just been charging it for like a few seconds. So I'm gonna turn it off and let you guys. Oh yeah, and the AC, beautiful. You might need a leather coat to ride in this car.
It's
The
getting that
AC, so
AC. Get that cold.
Well,
We
get
need
that
you know,
that
coat.
out
in
here in the
Vegas, we
summer.
gotta have AC over
Gotta
here.
Gotta
have
have
So
AC.
AC.
That's one of the first things people check sometimes is AC. So I'm gonna
right.
turn her on. She only been running like a few minutes, and
And you
How
said it's
many
a
miles?
stick.
Can I
You said
ask
it's a stick
how
shift.
many
yeah,
miles on it?
you go to miles right there. She has no
Now
check engine lights at all, at all.
105,
She
little
What is it,
for
Unica?
105.
It's 100
105 593.
105,593 mileage.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So
04.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
clean. They have
It,
the leather interior. AC, you
leather,
said you need a
suede.
jacket,
Oh
a
man,
chinchilla.
let me
He
tell you.
said
You
a
need a
leather
Let me.
jacket at that.
chinchilla
Yeah,
to get in
the
it.
AC. I just turned it on. Like I said, here come that cold air.
Oh,
I'm only gonna be in here for a few minutes. I'm gonna have to get out in a minute.
it get that
That cold
cold.
air.
At least it's a nice
And
day in LA.
yeah. So she's already blowing cold. It's been sitting up, and like I said, it wouldn't start. So I put the charger on it while you guys was talking and started up. I got a brand new battery in it, so I probably, knowing me, left something on. Don't know what it is, cause I be in a hurry all the time. But on top of that, I'm gonna let you guys check out the music.
Okay.
Oh,
That
We do not
works.
own the rights to this music.
No, you don't.
Let us
You know.
you can't roll without it, girl.
play, what I want to hear. Just playing. Play us something good. Okay.
You know, hey, we in Southern California. You know,
Yeah.
there's certain guys that we only play.
It's only West Coast, West Side.
So I'm gonna get out. So
So you
like I
gotta
say,
let us know what it's
she's
going for,
running.
bro.
She's running.
So
You
we got
know,
a 2004 Dodge Stratus that's in great condition. No rips, no tears on the leather interior with the spoiler on the back. It's
this has
105,000 miles,
this car has
105,000 miles,
yeah,
new battery, and ice cold AC, music,
yeah.
radio.
She has a turbo on her. You know what I'm saying? So this engine, I'm telling you, just you can't beat it. You can't beat it. And the price I'm gonna give you, it might be subject to change, but right now we're gonna stick it at 3,000.
Oh,
You know,
okay,
that's
3,000.
$3,000. And you know, if you come right, you know what I'm saying, we might can do something.
So you're
Yes.
You
not
know,
firm, it's negotiable.
real negotiable, real
And
negotiable.
how
I
would
hate it. I hate it. Like I say, you know, I don't want to get rid of it, but moving it from side to side every week ain't really that fun.
right?
Right.
You know, so and you know,
Yes.
if you put a couple of more zeros on that 3,000, we can get this for like 30. I, I
I wasn't
I only
ready for
want
that.
I only want 30,000
Not
for
the
that.
low rider. You ain't putting the low rider. You say
Yeah, look.
I wasn't
3,000 to
ready
30. We
for it.
went for 3,000
He
for
said you
one,
had a
then
Yeah,
couple
30
of
to
more.
the other one.
yeah.
so,
So
so,
that's
Joseph.
a whole nother you know, time we get on that, you know. But
Yeah.
that's probably not negotiable at all.
Okay,
But
Joseph. How would someone, if they're not in Southern California, how would that look like if someone here, or someone else wanted to buy it? Or are you gonna? How does that work? What does that look
okay,
like?
we okay, let me turn well we'll keep looking at the car. Like I say, I'm gonna stop and start it up one more time. Make sure y'all don't I'm gonna make sure y'all know it's kind of chilly in here too. You know, just in
You
case.
said it.
It is
You
kind of
said it.
it is kind of chilly. But I'm gonna start it up one more time and let y'all know. Right up. She
Right up.
start right up.
Right
She
up.
ain't got she ain't got no lights, no check
No
engine,
check
no
engine.
no lights, not everything works, you know, and
3,000.
three
Or your
thousand.
best
I
offer.
we could if you too far away, maybe we could ship it. Or if you like in Vegas, let me see, let me turn this thing around. Again, I don't know. Oh, here I'm go. Okay, maybe we could meet it somewhere because I'll drive it anywhere. I'm that confidence in it.
Nice.
I really would.
Absolutely.
Okay. How would they contact you? Do you want to put your info in the chat? So if anybody interested to be able to call you,
Yeah,
email you,
uh,
text you.
sure. Sure, I could. You want me to put it in there in the comments? My phone number?
Please
Yes.
put your
Put
information.
your
How would
information
someone reach out
and
to you?
then
But
yes.
also say it on this live too, so it won't get lost in the comments. Because again, what we're doing is once we're done with the live, we'll take every segment and break them into reels, and we're gonna push that reels out there.
And then
So I'm
put the
hoping.
2000, yeah, put 2004.
He went away, but at least he did put his phone
Yeah,
number
he put his
there.
phone
But
number.
let's
Yeah.
add him back maybe, and he can give his contact. Or let's just say this: hey, if you want to purchase the Stratus, if you didn't see the Stratus again, we're gonna post real so you can see it later if you're just joining. His number's 213-322. What is it, nigga? Three, nigga.
Oh,
21.
213
Yeah.
322 6641.
I don't know why I got choked up. But that is his phone number. If you watch this later, if you missed the live, his name is Joseph. He's in Southern California. And Nika, what is his phone number?
It's 213-322-6641. 2004 Dodge Stratus.
And
Good
thank you
running
so
condition.
much, Joseph. I
Yeah.
appreciate you. That was nice. That was a nice vehicle. You add a couple zeros to that 3,000. He has a whole nother whip that he ready to bring out.